Community. I'm iOS developer from since 7 years. I'm working one of the organization in MNC company. So I'm going to teach the iOS application. So it is a software programming language. In this iOS, I'm going to teach to all. The first thing is what is iOS. So basically, iOS is a iPhone operating system. So formerly we are known as iPhone operating system. Present it is known as like mobile operating system. So then it has been created like and it has been developed by the Apple company. So it is exclusively known. It is a hardware for iOS. So it supports the devices like such as iPhone, iPads, remaining everything. iWatch, iTV, Mac TV, on remaining hands. So it was introduced in the year of 2007. So the first iOS version was introduced on the year of 2007 on the month of June 29. So the latest iOS version is 15. So in the year of 2021, September of 20th. Um, the first CEO was Steve Jobs, and the present CEO was Tim Cook. So basically, the iPhone operating system um, supports the iPhone, iPads, iWatch, and Mac TV. Also, they have implemented on the 2004 onwards. So the iOS support languages are like it supports the three languages like Objective-C, Swift, and Swift UI. The iOS support. So both these three languages we can use and we can develop the iPhone application like watch or TV anything we can implement it by using those three languages. Either we can use Objective-C or like Swift or Swift UI. The Swift UI is the latest language in the year of 2017 have implemented. They are implemented. So basically we are going to what is meant by Objective-C. Objective-C is a general purpose language. It has been developed by the C programming language by adding some features of Smalltalk's programming language. It is a object-oriented programming language. So basically, it is primarily used for iOS and macOS for the implement developing purpose operating system. So the Objective-C has been developed by the Next company. So the basically the Objective-C was being implemented by the Next company. So next step, sorry, next step. So then we are using like Next. Uh, Swift is the Swift. It is a robotic and innovative programming language. It has been created by the Apple company and they implemented by the apps for the iOS, macOS, Apple TV, and Apple Watch. It is designed to give a developer more freedom than ever. ever. Swift is easy to use and open source. So we can anyone with an idea we can create something incredible. The Swift versions and words. The first version was 2014 and they are implemented so the present is Swift 5.3 in the year of 2021. The Swift UI is a to help of a build a great looks apps like a Apple platforms like code or anything. So it was introduced by the Nintendo Weavers. It was released in the September 2009. So basically, Xcode means it's an Apple integrated development tool for the Mac OS. It is used for the development of software for Mac OS, iOS, iPads, iPhones, iPads, and tvOS. It was introduced in the year of 2003, and Xcode supports the Mac OS. So Mac OS first version was Mac OS X Partner, and the Mac OS latest version is Mac Big Sur. So basically, the for iOS app development tools are the like Mac OS, Xcode, iOS SDK, programming language, and Objective C, Swift, SwiftUI. Is the those are the these three are the programming languages. This is for iOS SDK. It's like a software for the coding. So simulator is the to check the to put the output to, or to check the result of of iPhone app design. So iPhone devices. So both we can check in output. iOS device or simulator. So instruments like instruments like a cable or anything else, those are the becomes from the instruments. So basically we need for the Apple developer account. Because of Apple developer account we can use a bike, we can suppose we want to do the push notification or anything, like we have to submit the app to the app store. So basically we need the app developer account, app store, to store the app in the app store. So difference between Objective C and Safe. So there is mainly differences between Objective C and Safety is it was it is just Swift is a static type, but Objective C is a dynamic type basically. So in the safety we can declare it as a type of boolean value like true or false, but in Objective C we are declaring like yes or no by end boolean value. So main we have to agree that Swift is the 4 times faster than the Objective C, but Objective C is slow because of they have compatibility is so much complex is there, like we have to write, they have to check like our .xfile, .m file, and the main dot .m file. They have to check everything, so that it is a low slow, and it is Swift. It was introduced by the influenced by the Objective C, Rust, and Ruby, and Python also. Based on this, they implemented the Swift. But the Objective C was by influence by using the C and small text. In the year of 2084, the Objective-C was first appeared in the world. So it was developed with the Charles Clapper. So basic iOS topics are like first one, Cocoa Touch and UI Kit. Cocoa Touch like a user interface, and UI Kit is the like Apple framework something, Apple related code. And we have to main required things frameworks, the basics concept like a class, object, variables, methods, and functions. So mainly OOPS concepts for the Objective C, like every language. OOPS means object oriented programming language. So controllers is there, like controllers like UI elements like button, label, UI table view. Some remaining are there. So I can teach in the further classes. So the architecture design patterns are like mainly they are using the designing patterns are MVC, MVVM, and MVP. MVC means model view controller, and MVVM means model view model and representation, and the MVP is called to model view presentation. So I will teach in the MVC, MVM, and MVP for the sessions. So for RESTful APIs, so we are using NSURL sessions. The NSURL sessions are there. So many sessions are there. So for the safety UI, there we are using like Alma Fire for to calling the API, the RESTful API services. For the Objective-C AF networking. For the Objective-C, sorry. For the Objective-C AF networking they are using. For the Swift language we are using the Alma file. By using the JSON and the XML parsings, when we are hitting the API data, the response will be shown as a like a JSON means JavaScript object notation. For XML parsing we will get. Mm, okay. Next, local storage. Local storage means we can store the data in the local and like in our application. The storage is like we can use like code data, SQLite. They are like NSURL session, plist, so we can store the data and we can read. Once we delete our application, we cannot fetch that data, the stored data, because of it is a local storage. So when we are deleting our application, I mean uninstalling, we cannot get the data. Notification, we get the alert type, so we get the information by using the notification. Up to 4 KB we can fetch the data from notification. Like notification, there are two types, like local storage and local notification and push notification. Push notification. For the push notification, by using the, we can use the two types, like APN and Firebase. APN means Apple push notification, and Firebase means by using the Firebase we can authenticate the push notification. The local storage, there are types of alert types like badge, sound, and so on and so on. And we will teach the app to submit the app store there. So thank you all for giving the opportunity for this.